We're here in the house. This is my work yesterday. You can see here the grass that I mowed yesterday, and now it looks good a little bit, but in the other side I did not mow here. I will wait for the mower because the belt was damaged, and hopefully next week we can fix it again here. Hi, Mr. Cat. Hi, Mr. Cat. Hi, Spice. Are you happy today? Huh, you play? The other one is here. Hi, Miles. Miles is here, guys. Hey, Miles. You can see here the trees. They are overgrown here and that side. And this is the work of my husband this morning. And we need to clean here because later we need to go, and we could not pass the car in this side. This is our driveway. I like your hat.
Yeah.
It looks nice.
So I don't have to wear glasses, safety glasses. This protects my face. And I got ear things on to help protect from the sound of the saw.
Small people. Are you tired?
Yeah. It's starting to get warm.
He cut there. It's a lot there in the ground now. I was trying to make a jogging here just for a moment while my husband is clearing there in the branches of the trees. And it's time for me to make a jogging here. Jogging here in the farm. Really enjoyed my walking today because in this area sun is not still hit in this area, so it's nice to go walking here, jogging. That's what I did this morning, and it's really fun. If it's hot later, so I need to go inside, but for now sun is not here, so I still have time to walk, jogging, and jogging around here and walking around. I wear boots because it's really wet in this area, and some of the grass is higher, so better to wear a boots on walking and jogging this area. With me walking and jogging. Some blackberries near in the creek. You've been in so many areas today, and now you are. I'm trying to relax here outside before I go inside in the house, and it's nice weather here, very fresh air. As you can see, the leaves there, it's a little bit windy, and it's nice to stay here outside for a bit and feel the fresh air. It was a really refreshing here outside. Very nice weather. And now we have sunlight here, and it's time to go inside in the house. It's a very productive day, and I can walking, jogging. It's a nice pretty day. It's a nice pretty morning. Thank you for watching, everyone.